Okay, so today we're gonna show off some slimes. And this is the first. Oh my god, I love that it's so yellow and oh my god.
Woo!
And this is the second. Ew, it's kinda gross. Oh my god, that's so like water. I think it is like water, yeah. And this is the fourth one, I think. It's very blue, I like it. Fifth one, oh my god, that's like a spider web. And this is the sixth one. Oh my god, I love that. And this is the last one.